Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can deposit money in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, make sure you log into your Exness account. Then after that, click on My Account. Then make sure you are in the real account, not in the demo account. Then after that, click on Deposit. Now you can choose between these payment methods. We have Skrill, Nettler, and StickPay. And if your account is verified with your ID, you can add other payment methods like bank card and USDT and others. Then after that, choose it. Now choose the account you want and add the amount of money. Let's say 15 and click on continue and click confirm. After that, you have to enter your information, your Skrill informations, then you have to confirm your deposit. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.